Hey, if you want to turn on TalkBack on the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 or A9 Plus, first of all we have to go into the settings. Then from the left side we have to scroll down and go into the accessibility, and here we can find TalkBack. So to turn it on, for sure we have to click on this switcher. Now just click allow.
TalkBack on. Welcome to TalkBack. Welcome to TalkBack. Page 1 of 5. TalkBack
Sorry
is a
for
screen
this, I'm
reader
gonna
intended
reduce
for
the volume.
situations or people who have difficulty seeing the screen.
And now
It gives
if
you
you want to
spoken
navigate,
feedback so that
you have
can
to
use
just
your device without looking at the
God
screen.
damn, wait a minute.
Expand. Welcome to TalkBack.
Okay, now there is no any voice. So if you want to navigate in the TalkBack, you can just select any option. Like for example, if I want to close the screen, I have to click on it once and then double tap.
Close tutorial.
Then click close and double tap.
Allow TalkBack
Click
to
to
make
allow
double
and
tap.
double tap.
TalkBack. Navigate
And as you
up
can see,
button.
that's basically it. That's all for this video.
Double tap to activate.
Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.